to Banff National Park. We are going to try winter camping with my small boy. That's a little bit sleepy right now, Harry. But weather is not that bad. There is some snow, definitely, like Calgary 50 centimeters and more. Banff, it should be less, but tomorrow we probably get like a meter of snow. So it's serious weather what we have to consider over there if we're gonna stay, or if you just take a short hike and then go home. It's what it is. We're gonna try. Arrived on Tujek Lake and there are people camping. Look. So we're gonna do the same, right, Harry?
No.
There's enough firewood, so fire isn't a problem. Yeah, really excited. Arrived. Okay, camping spot.
Dad, look.
What?
Dad.
We're gonna make a fire. Everything goes well. It's -6 outside. In the tent it is not, I think, not below freezing level. I think it is 0, maybe +5. We have a big tent that's not good for winter camping. It's better off with a small tent, but we have a very good insulated sleeping bag, and between the floor and the sleeping pad we have a tarp, we have a blanket, so we are fine. It's really toasty. Even my big boy is putting his arm up above the blankets because it's toasty warm. Getting warm, and it's snowing really hard. It's like snowing really hard. So not sure if you hear that sound, but that's it is snowing really hard. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sleep well?
Yeah. I saw it.
You saw some snow? There's a lot of snow, right? So we survived winter camping. Probably you can see it's a rough night, but -9, -10 at the coldest. It was a pretty good day and night. We had a lot of fun. We did campfires, we made marshmallows, anything you can imagine. Camping was actually going pretty well. Harry, let's go home? Of course not.